Gusto mo bang magnegosyo o gusto mo mag-umpisa ng negosyo? Welcome to Vesla Motor E-Bike Shop. So we provide your modern at pinakamabagong e-bike food cart sa Philippines. So ngayon, marami sa atin ang gusto magnegosyo pero problema is renta, renovation, location. Siyempre sa renovation pa lang ilang milyon na or hundreds of thousands na magagastos natin dyan. Meron pa tayong security deposit, may advance deposit pa. So dito, pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, if you're looking to provide any means to start yung negosyo mo o gusto mo mag-start up, ito yung best play, less risk, tapos high profit ang mangyayari sa'yo. You can provide sa street lang, tsaka less yung mga paperworks na kailangan nyo. So we do have our package deal here at Vesla E-Bike. Meron tayong food cart natin, na this is the wing type food cart natin, kasi may parating pa tayong mga bagong model. But we do have this one, meron siyang wing, na kapag umulan, it can carry you. Tapos, libre na yung mga signage natin. Yung dito, may signage to. Then, we can provide here. The lighted signage is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lighted signage na po yan kasama. Then, sa lighted signage natin, meron tayong unlighted, yung mga sticker type. Dito nakalagay yan. Tapos, dito pa. Left and right, meron po yan. Tapos, meron pang dito yan. Saan yung bukasan? Ito, extra space para lagyan ng cups, ng change, or mga gamit while you are on the street. Tapos dito, you have a provided storage. May storage na siya for your utensils, cups, everything, sahog, whatsoever. Ito, kapag you need a gasoline type, gasolina, kailangan rin to. Dito nakalagay. This one is a flat surface na pwedeng butasan para sa yung pa sa initan, for the burgers, the coffee machines, pwede yung lagyan, pwede yung designan. It comes with a very flexible na design. Then, it comes with also lighted inside na. So, you don't need to worry na ng mga ilaw sa loob. We will fix this before giving it to you. We will change it. We will design it. Of course, yung layout will be coming from you guys, but all of this one will be installation and the signages will be coming from us. So, this one, umaabot rin siya ng 90 to 100 kilometers per charging. Tapos ito, kahit lighted siya, umaabot ng 24 hours yung ilaw nito. So don't worry kasi lahat ng maintenance nito will be carried by us and may warranty siya. So just visit us or message us for your more business going. Bye-bye!